Hi guys, Bop Bop Baby by Westlife. I'm always sad, nothing would break me or lead me astray. Who would have guessed I let my mind drift so far away? You're always sad, I was a dreamer, and now it's there. Dreaming of things that making my mind go crazy, small things. When I call you but and he answers the phone, or I capture my sin and I talk to me. When I lie in my bed with the thoughts in my head, and we dance and we sing and we laugh all night. Oh, the Bop Bop Baby, don't let me go. I love you. Okay. That's our this thunderstorm. That's our intro and the first verse. Okay, so our intro is third fret, second string, and then open first string, and then second fret, first string, and then back to third fret, second string. So okay, that's our first verse, and then the same verse. Back to third string, open first, back to third fret, second string, open first string, second fret, first string, and then open again, and then third fret, first string, and then open, second string, and then second fret, third string, and then second fret again, and then third fret, second string, and then open, and then okay. So that's our second part. The second part is okay. Now the fourth part, third part, third string again, the second fret, open, second fret, first string, back to third string, and then third string again, open, third fret, first string, and then fifth string, and then form a D chord, first and second string, and then third, and then back to first string, second fret, and then A. Okay, so again. Okay. Got it. Now we go to our first verse. Chords G, D. This is for the intro. This is G, and then D on the fifth, and then A on the fifth. 2 times. So, okay. So our strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay. Okay. So down, up, down, up. Chords with two dashes, two measures. G, two measures. G, D, one measure, and A, one measure. So G. Okay, remember that chords with two dashes are two measures, chords and a single dash, only one measure. Okay, so our first verse is G, D, 4 times, G, D, A, 4 times, and then F, B minor, G, 3 times, and then A, 2 measures. Okay, so nothing will break me or lead me astray. Who would have guessed I let my mind so far away when the law is there, 2 measures, dreaming, and now it's dead. Dreaming of things, making my mind go crazy. Small things like when I call BM, 1 measure, and then G, 1 measure. Or I get your machine and I don't hear me when I lie in my bed with a thought in my head. And then A on 5th. Okay, and then 2 measures. Oh, the bop, 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 baby, please. 2 measures for G again. There you go, D on 5th. My life is really on a bop, bop, baby, please. Just let me know. Put my mind at for sure. So, G. So, the last 3 chords for G. So, you hammer your pinky on the 5th fret of 2nd string. And then, okay, 2nd verse is the same. On a love train, on a love train, 20 odd years now, I got up today. Nobody said that I've taken was a stop too late. Now I'm alone, I'm thinking of stupid, small thing like when I call you, I don't any answers to phone, or I get your machine and I don't hear me when I lie in my bed with the thoughts in my head, and you dance and you sing and you laugh all night. And then we repeat the chorus. Oh, the bop, bop, baby, please don't let me go. And with my life this way. Oh, the bop, bop, baby, please just let me know. With my mind at ease for. This time C. And oh, the bop, bop, baby, please just let me know. Put my mind at ease. And then C in the 3rd. Maybe it's time to say goodbye. Maybe it's time to let this life. This is the life in the right. 1 measure for C, F, maybe, F, 1 measure, G, 2 measures, maybe this time can I, C, 2 measure, 1 measure, and then F, 1 measure again, and then G, 2 measures, and then D, 1 measure. Now that we've got G, 1 measure, A, 2 measures, A, 2 measures. Okay, so now we go to again repeat chorus 4 times. Okay, so the first one is oh the bop bop baby, please don't let me go, don't put my life this way. Oh the bop bop baby, please just let me know, put my mind at ease for sure. And then the rest normal strumming. Oh the bop, oh the bop bop baby, please just let me go, put my life in. Oh the bop bop baby, please, and put my mind at ease for sure. Okay, that's the end. Just end it with G, strum down, okay? And put my mind at ease for sure. Okay, that's it guys, very easy. Just the strumming pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, this one is not much complicated. Now we go to our next song will be Fra Lipo Lipi, but Stitches and Burns. Okay. People say that I'm a fool, but I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. Okay, just what else for our next song. Okay, that's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, click the notification bell, and of course don't forget your closed caption caps. Okay, that's it guys. Have a good day. It's a rainy day.